Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a purchase ledger with GST in Tally Prime. First, navigate to the gateway of Tally and select Create. Choose Ledger from the list. You'll then enter the ledger's name, like Purchases at 18% GST, and select Purchase Accounts as the group. This foundational step ensures your ledger is correctly categorized for all future transactions. Next, we'll configure the GST details for your new ledger. Set is GST applicable to applicable, and set /alter GST details to yes. Here, you'll specify the nature of the supply and the applicable GST rate, for example, 18%. This ensures that Tally Prime automatically calculates the correct tax amounts for every purchase entry made using this ledger, saving you time and reducing errors. Now let's record a purchase entry. Go to Vouchers, then Purchase, F9. Enter the supplier invoice number and date. Select your purchase ledger with GST, then input the item details, quantity, and rate. Tally Prime will automatically calculate the GST. Ensure you select the appropriate input GST ledgers, like Input CGST and Input SGST, to correctly account for your tax credits. Finally, review your entries and generate essential reports. Navigate to Display More Reports, then GST Reports, and select GSTR2 to view your purchase details and input tax credit. You can also check the Purchase Register under Display More Reports to verify all transactions. This helps ensure compliance and accurate financial records. Also, for making meal prep easy, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.